Hi guys, I hope you are well. Today I will share with you 7 ideas for making money online without requiring any specific skills. So let's get started. Before we start, if you want to earn really money online, you must watch this whole video. If you skip a small amount, you will have difficulty understanding the video. So let's begin. Number 1 idea. Online surveys. Online surveys are a data collection method that uses the internet to gather information from individuals or groups. It involves creating a set of questions or statements that respondents answer by selecting options, providing ratings, or typing in their responses using an online survey platform. Many companies pay individuals to take surveys and provide feedback on their products or services. Like iSense. iSense is a popular survey platform for making money. And to Luna influencers, this is also a popular site. By working on this site you earn points, and can convert those points to dollars and withdraw them through PayPal. The link of all the sites will be given in the description box. From there you can sign up and start working from now. Number 2. Content writing. If you have good writing skills, you can start your writing journey easily. Many websites and businesses are constantly in need of quality content for their blogs, articles, and websites. If you are a beginner, then paid vertical website is best for you. The website will pay you a minimum of $5 per 1,000 views. If you are somewhat experienced, you can work on Fiverr, Upwork, Freelancer, etc. Number 3. Online tutoring. Share your knowledge and expertise by becoming an online tutor. You can teach subjects like math, science, languages, or even provide music lessons via video chat platforms. Some online tutoring sites like khanacademy.org, tutor.com, tutorme.com. Go these sites and create a teacher account. And start your tutor journey. Number 4. Affiliate marketing. Promote other people's products or services through your website, blog, or social media channels. You earn a commission for every sale or lead generated through your referral. Best affiliate marketing site are Amazon Affiliate, ClickBank Affiliate, Digistore24, etc. Simply go these sites and create an affiliate account, then promote products in Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, TikTok. Number 5. Ebook publishing. If you are good at writing on any subject, then you can write a book on that subject and publish it under your own name. There are numerous popular sites for book publishing. One of them is Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing. You can earn royalties for your book every copy sold. Number 6. Online reselling. Find discounted items on platforms like eBay or thrift stores, and resell them at a higher price. This could include clothing, electronics, or collectibles. You can also resell domain hosting from popular domain hosting sites like Namecheap, GoDaddy, etc. Number 7. Online photography. One of the best online income method is online photography selling. If you have a knack or smartphone for photography, you can sell your photos online. Join stock photography websites or create your own website to showcase and sell your images. Some popular online photography selling websites are Adobe Stock, Shutterstock, iStock. Remember, while these ideas don't require specific skills upfront, it's always beneficial to invest some time in learning and improving your abilities to maximize your earning potential in the long run. That's it for today. If you like the video, please like, comment, and subscribe to stay with us for more new videos. Thank you.